Hey guys, what's up? It is Brandy Chanell, and if you're new to my channel, here on this channel we talk about everything from hair to makeup to fashion to you to pretty much all things beauty, lifestyle, and everyday living. So if you haven't already, don't forget to press that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can join the notification gang. Alright, let's get on with the subject matter at hand. Alright guys, so this year I have made it a point to be intentional in all that I do. So this year I want to support not only just once a month, but I definitely want to feature once a month, either on here on YouTube or on my Instagram, either a black business or a black restaurant, like a black owned beauty brand, fashion item, something like that, or a restaurant that's local here in my city, Charlotte, North Carolina. So that is my goal for the year, to definitely feature someone, like I said, every month. So 12 times a year, but I'll probably still support these companies more than what I show, but I'm just saying I'm gonna be intentional with sharing that with you guys. So this is awesome. I'm so excited because my best sister friend, Haley girl, put me on this company. It's called The Wrap Life. They're a black owned hair accessory company. I'm sure they may expand into other things at some point, but right now they sell turbans, headbands, head wraps, head scarves, anything hair accessory wrap headbandish type deal. Okay, so today I picked up, or I'm sharing with you guys, I think it's Bandie. Correct me right here if I'm wrong. It's the Bandie. I picked this up, I believe it was on sale, or I think I missed the sale, but they do have sales every now and then, but it was $16, and it's obviously a multi-wear band. The color I have is Cola, if I'm not mistaken. I will leave all the details in the description box and on my blog. I'll leave the blog name here. So I absolutely have been obsessed with headbands. If you are new to my channel, hey girl, hey boy, hey person, I love headbands, okay? I want to get more colors, but I said let me just get one this time. So let me give you the rundown on the Bandini baby girl, or I can't want to call it Bandini. I think it's the Bandie. Ugh, I cannot with myself. But I'm just so excited. I absolutely love this color. There's so many ways. I'm going to show you guys several different ways right here. It comes in a variety of colors. They have different styles, different textures, different fabrics. This is the ribbed texture. I want to make this video super short, so I'll leave all the information about this company. Also, they were featured on Oprah's Favorite Things last Christmas, or 2020. I mean, you know, Auntie O loves it. Everybody loves it, okay? Auntie O don't steer us wrong. She don't steer us wrong. Anyways, alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that hopefully super quick video. I will catch you guys in my next one. Don't forget to support The Wrap Life and check them out. I will leave a link to their website below. And if you guys do buy something, let me know in the comments below. Or if you've purchased something, let me know in the comments below. And tell Wrap Life I sent you, girl. Okay? I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye! And don't forget to subscribe.